So, you've heard of Hail Center's unmatched auto hail damage repair services. That's right, we fix your hail-damaged vehicle as if nothing ever happened. Don't stress about hail damage, that's what we're here for. Did you know we work directly with your insurance provider to get the job done at little to no cost to you? Our dedicated team makes the repair process smooth, ensuring you get the coverage you deserve without the hassle. Plus, every repair comes with a professional detail, so you get your car back in better than pre-hail condition. Don't let hail damage ruin your day. Visit www.hailcenter.net or call us today to learn more. Hail Center, where we restore your vehicle and exceed your expectations.